We're on our way to a job right now. There's some baby raccoons in a ceiling, and the guys are over there pulling the ceiling down. They say they hear some babies. So we're gonna check it out, and I'm gonna show you how damaging a raccoon can be, and how to mitigate the damage and get rid of the babies and the mother from coming back in the home. Here at the job site just pulled up. You can see behind me, that's where the raccoons were going into the soffit. So we're gonna go up in there and see what the deal is with the baby raccoons. But that's where it was going in and out, was right there at that soffit. You can see these animals are just snoozing away. They're not they're nocturnal, so they're totally passed out. They're not waking up to the sound of my voice or anything. And that could actually be why it's so difficult to locate where they are in your ceiling. So it's just so important when you're hearing these animals that you mark the location, because a lot of times a wildlife company will come out to find these animals, but we won't actually know where to look, because as you can see, during the day, this is what they do. They sleep, and they sleep hard. It's hard to wake them up. We left it up to the customer whether or not he's gonna want to use these babies here in this box to catch the mother raccoon, essentially use them as bait, or if he wants us to just leave that box right there on the ground, and when the mom goes to come out of the attic tonight, it'll walk down these trees and more than likely hear the babies and take them somewhere else. The thing is more than likely the mom is not going to bring those babies back in that attic. So best case scenario is we just leave that box there. The mom comes down the tree, grabs the babies, and just moves on. That ends the problem. We animal proof the house, and then you call it job completed. But there is always a possibility that she can grab those babies and bring them back into the house, and then we got to kind of start over. We've already removed the ceiling. This is obviously going to cost the customer some money, so you gotta show compassion, but at the same time you got to make sure that you're actually solving these people's problem. So we're going to leave that decision actually up to the customer and see what we do from there. But if you got baby raccoons in your house, the best way to get rid of them is, well, that depends on the situation, but for the most part, you just grab a box, put them on the outside. The mom's gonna take them out of there, but not always, so you got to be careful.